Today I'll be showing you all of my fidgets except for my squishums. So let's get started. First off, we're gonna start with the dinosaur. I know what type it is, but I'm blanking on its name. Then going into rainbow circle poppet. Then an octopus. I got from Dollar Tree. Oh, this was a heart. Then an Among Us character. This is actually the first puppet I ever got.
That's the funny thing about romance. You gotta watch it. It has a lot of its own.
Landon is the first farmer to share his decision.
I'm obviously struggling with this because it's like, how do you find fault in any of these?
Monkey.
They're all so amazing and very independent in different ways. So we haven't had much time.
With Landon, a big part of me wants to believe that I'm
Green
good,
square.
I know he's connecting with the other girls as well. There's always like an insecurity because you just don't know.
So I have not gotten to know you all well enough on almost any personal level.
My heart, it's literally beating out of my chest.
Going into my Pikachu one.
You guys are okay, so I'll just have all five of you stay. It happens all the time. So I decided not to send anyone home today because I don't have any reason. One more week at least, I would have just been throwing darts at a board. That one.
In Tennessee, Alex has also made up his mind.
People that don't know me really well don't really understand me because I think I'm a little bit different. So that's a little bit nerve-wracking.
So, we got the letter today, and it's kind of getting that time. It's a really tough decision. I think that you just feel connections, and you know, I'm really sorry, but Simone, I just don't feel that connection between us, and you know, I think it's time to send you home, and I'm truly sorry. I didn't feel quite the connection I did with her as I do the others, and at the end of the day, we're here for a certain purpose, and she didn't do anything wrong or anything. It just, you know, I just don't feel like we matched up there. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
I want to find love, and I'm so grateful for this whole experience. And maybe you don't have to go into such extremes of dating like a farmer. I hope that you find what you're looking for.
Thank you. That means a lot. Have a safe trip home. Bye.
I really want to thank y'all. Y'all all put y'all's lives on hold for this. I thought I was going to get the chance to get to know these girls a little bit better than boom, they're here. One's got to go. There were some that rose to the occasion, and some that were a little more reserved. It's a big decision. It really is. The fact that y'all are here it really means a lot. Like I think it's I'm really excited about this, and I hope y'all are too.
Blue monkey noodle.
I don't know, I feel like I'm on a roller coaster.
Yellow monkey noodle.
Genuine connection with
Hey, look what I just made you, Crane. Let's go,
It's so crazy,
Crane.
but, like, the camera and the spotlight is a lot for me. If we
if we met like in a random place, like
But at
I feel like
first,
we would have that
United States.
connection. I don't know if I'm just scared, but there's a lot of competition. I don't know.
In my
Like,
opinion.
maybe I'm not the right one.
Green.
We switched to Liberty Mutual and saved $652. They customize your car insurance, so you only pay
Pink.
with the money we saved. We thought we'd probably like to
Orange.
Careful, babe.
Blue.
Easier.
I think I got it. It's actually
Neon orange. Green. Neon purple. Then we got a glittery slappy hand. Then these things my nana made. This is like a star maze.
Get DirecTV with a 2-year price
And
guarantee.
you just like push them around.
Crohn's disease. Now they're sky racing.
Then this thing you just like
Feel significant symptom relief with Skyrisk. Including muscle dominance and fewer bowel movements at 4 weeks.
then I have this thing and it just pops the tongue out. Then you have this thing, kind of like untwirl, twirl it. Then you have
Serious
little
allergic
clickety eyes.
reactions, risk of infections, or a lower ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms, get a vaccine or plan. Liver problems may occur in close
A little snapper,
Gastroenterologist, how you can take control of your Crohn's with
poop
Skyrisk.
snapper.
Learn how AbbVie could help you save.
Join Fox 8 Saturday, March 25th for the PTI Run on the Runway. With your help, we can stomp out hunger here in the Triad. Go to PTI.com to register for 5K, 10K, or the 1 mile event. Let's walk to win against hunger.
Blue snap it. Then a little bouncy ball. A little alligator.
This is a race of a different breed.
Stretchy.
And Better Health 400, Sunday on Fox. Cheers to Fox tomorrow. The mentors take shots.
Barry, Naisha, and Gordon.
Do not put your team in jeopardy.
And someone gets their filet flambé. Moonshine. It's explosive. Leave it.
And it bounces.
Tomorrow on Fox.
But I don't want to get the putty dirty. And it glows.
2 remaining farmers have a gut-wrenching
And
decision
that
to make.
is what it looks like.
Which one girl will they send home?
I reckon it's that time. I just don't think that I can comfortably make a decision tonight to send somebody home. I think I need to take a little more time to get to know y'all a little more than just, one day. Are y'all okay with that decision? I want to make sure that works for y'all.
Ukraine again.
I hope I'm the best in every situation. But like I know we have
A little stretchy bat.
I'm not the type of girl that's like going to
Little
fight
stretchy
and compete
skeleton.
against other girls and like stand out because I'm a very quiet, like reserved person. That's just who I am.
And then this will
pushes me
start
away
us off
because I have
on our first question for the next video. And that would be it for today. And